Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open security application which you have pre-installed on your device. Then it performs the full scan of your device, of the features that could be optimized, that could be fixed or something. What you have to do is to just tap optimize, and after that it will perform a security scan, clear cache from your device, optimize security and stuff. So yeah, you can also perform a cleaning of your device, clean up some junk files or something like that. You can also make a security scan too. So yeah, and maybe some other of these features if you feel like it, but I guess these ones will be enough. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.